11 and the phone is acting really weird. Okay, wow, it went off. So what this phone is doing is that the phone automatically restarts out after every 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah, as I was speaking, it was on, right? So it's going to restart right here. So we are going to solve this problem today. This okay. The reason why I was able to identify where the problem is coming from is because if we check out the log, which is the restarting error logs right here, you will see that it says that the thermal monitor series returned. Yeah, that was the error. So it's thermal monitor series. Yeah, I tend to understand that it's the thermistor of the charging section. So the phone was not able to detect the thermistor was not able to send the phone signal that the temperature of the phone is normal and all that stuff, so the phone decided to restart itself. So the problem was coming from the charging card, and you can know that from here. So at times if it's the mic, it's going to show